Headless chicken. Chicken no longer of head. My mind has been on my mind lately. Not lately. Always.
Okay, this is gonna sound mean. Part is.
For me, life feels like standing. Standing. Always standing. Feet perpendicular to my shoulders. Bracing. It feels like someone would slice my head clean off if I were to sit down. I'm almost 8 months into taking my mood stabilizers. Sometimes I feel like I deserve a medal for that. But I guess survival is its own reward. My parents didn't take my mental health seriously until I told them that people with bipolar disorder are statistically more likely to kill themselves. I guess they didn't want me dead. Well, neither do I. I don't think I'll kill myself, by the way. I could have, at many points, but I didn't. And maybe that means something. I wish people would stop pretending that people don't want to kill themselves, that suicidal thoughts aren't real. I called the suicide hotline once. Talking to the operator humbled me. It made me realize that everything, all of it, was quite literally in my head. I was sobbing, telling a stranger that I wanted to die. And when he asked me why, I had no answer. After that call, I realized that my body existed elsewhere, and I decided I had to find it and figure out how to stay. I remember when my bipolar disorder first surfaced. I was 16, heading into the summer before senior year of high school. I remember the sensation of losing myself, losing my grip on reality. I quite literally lost my mind. I don't know how else to put it. Mania can be thrilling, divine even. You wonder how everyone else could be so simple, so weak. You become the living embodiment of your highest potential, of greatness. Yet you do not exist. You float, weightless, until suddenly you drown. You're drowning and drowning, and then you eventually float back to the surface. dead. For me, mania has always been worse than depression. I don't sleep, I struggle with food, and everything grows intangible. I forget myself. During my last manic episode, I started hearing voices, and it couldn't have been more disorienting. Nearly 2 years have passed, no new manic episodes, yet I find myself waiting. I can divide my existence into 4 categories: depression, mania, a faint sense of normalcy, reckoning. I'm not sure where my head's at right now.